James 1 verse 18. Wherefore, my beloved brethren, let every man be swift to hear, slow to speak, slow to wrath. That's a message of the Lord for you today, that He wants you to stop on being mad, and He doesn't want you to feel bad as always, or that is not the attitude of the Lord, and God wants you to be joyful and to be happy and to keep on smiling as always. That's the message of the Lord for you today, and that in addition to what the Lord wants to say is that don't get angry as always. All glory belongs to God alone. Thanks for watching this video, and God bless you all.